Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is an urgent scam warning about something called the ASI Trading Strategy VIP Group. They reached out on WhatsApp claiming to represent a company called Aldisyn Investments with a super professional-looking website and a so-called AI-powered trading system. But what I discovered is that this is nothing more than a sophisticated scam designed to steal your money. It all starts with a WhatsApp group. They introduced themselves as Aldisyn Investments, supposedly a US-based company developing an AI system called Oryx AI 4.0. Their pitch sounds convincing. They need data to train their AI, and in exchange, they give members free access to their trading system. They also talk about their AXIQ token, which they say will multiply in value once it hits the market. And to make it believable, they give you a personal assistant. Mine was Lucia, and a so-called expert named Professor Fernando Rios, who updates the group daily with financial news and stock tips. Everything looks professional. Spanish phone numbers, a legit-looking website, and even trading advice that matches what you'd find on regulated brokers like eToro or XTB. At first, nothing feels wrong. Then comes the test. They tell you to create an account on TerraxVIP, their chosen exchange, and they deposit 800 USDC for free. You keep any profit and return the original 800 only if you win. Sounds safe, right? For a week, we all made profits between 30 and 80 USDC. But here's the trick. After every trade, you had to send them a screenshot. This kept everyone in the game and convinced it was real. Then they encourage you to invest your own money. The profits look real, withdrawals even work at first, and they charge only 10% commission on your gains. Plus, they keep pushing you to reinvest half your profits into their fake token. Soon, they suggest starting with 5,000 euros. And yes, at that level, I was seeing profits of 200 euros to 300 euros per trade. Totally believable until things escalated. They divide the group into so-called galactic fleets. V1 for 50,000 euros to 200,000 euros. V2 for 200,000 euros to 500,000 euros. V3 for 500,000 euros plus. They promised returns of 200%, 400%, even 1,000% in weeks. That's when my alarm bells went off. Those numbers are impossible. But they pressured me hard, saying I'd lose a once-in-a-lifetime chance. My assistant even offered to sneak me into V1 if I invested at least 10,000 euros. Against my better judgment, I added more. At one point, my account showed 22,000 euros. But then they sent me into a bad trade, and I lost 12,000 euros instantly. Instead of helping, they told me the solution was to invest more money. Classic scam tactic. And when I tried to withdraw, they froze my account. Suddenly, I had to pay 2,500 euros in fees and commissions just to unlock my money. That's when I knew it was over. This is how they get you. Professional websites and fake AI tech. Free money to build trust. Small wins at first to hook you. Pressure to invest larger amounts. Fake screenshots from others showing huge profits. Frozen withdrawals and demands for more fees. Please, if you see groups like this on WhatsApp, run the other way. Do not give them a cent. I was lucky to stop when I did, but I've heard of others mortgaging their homes or taking out loans to invest in these fake fleets. Some lives have been destroyed. If you've had a similar experience, please share in the comments. It could save someone else from falling into the same trap. Stay safe, stay skeptical, and remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to spread awareness. See you in the next video.